Millions of Americans are in pain. Some suffer from chronic headaches or back pain. Others are recovering from surgery, sports injuries, or accidents. Every year, millions of prescriptions are written for pain medications, many of them powerful opioids that can cause side effects and lead to addiction. The TVIA Kit offers an alternative solution that uses hemp-based CBD to assist in the non-addictive treatment of pain. It includes a daytime tablet, a nighttime tablet, and a pain-relieving topical gel. The TVIA Kit was created around TabMelt, a patented, non-toxic sublingual drug delivery system that allows a patient to simply dissolve a tablet under their tongue for more instantaneous and accurate absorption than oral delivery, with the possibility for less dosing and fewer side effects. TabMelt optimizes cannabinoid delivery by offering a set dose delivery system, enhancing bioavailability, largely avoiding first-pass metabolism through the liver, avoiding the possible carcinogenic effects of inhaling cannabinoids, and largely avoiding the chemically hostile and acidic gastrointestinal environment delivery. A wide range of indications are being studied with cannabinoids worldwide.